I felt, the first time I saw this, like I was a huge giant, with each of my eyes about the size of a galaxy, looking down and seeing these thousands of galaxies as a real place.
Astronomer Brent Tully built the dataset at the core of Deep Space Explorer, an accurate catalog of 28,000 nearby galaxies, every observable structure within a box 700 million light-years thick, with the Sun-Earth system at its center. You see a sharp edge, a boundary. Of course, no such edge exists in the real universe, but past this frontier, only narrow slices of information are available. Your universe is expanding. In every direction you look, galaxies are receding away from you as space itself inflates. Capture the spectrum of light from a nearby galaxy, a portrait of the most common chemical elements. Now capture a spectrum from a galaxy far away. You'll recognize the signatures of at least a few of the same elements, but their handwriting has been stretched out, shifted down the rainbow to longer wavelengths. The best explanation for this red shift? Faraway galaxies are moving away from you. Every million light-year out from Earth adds an additional 23 kilometers per second. So the speed of any given movement can correspond to a specific distance. Look closely at the display. You'll see a bite taken out of the data, a gap of about 10 degrees. That's because telescopes anywhere near Earth can't see through the dust that concentrates in the plane of the Milky Way. And there's another natural filter at work here. If a galaxy is bright, it's easy to measure its velocity. But the fainter the source, the less likely it will enter the catalog. Tiny dwarf galaxies only show up if they are very nearby. So this data plot will tend to display more giant, bright galaxies the deeper you pilot into lesser-known space. To help you navigate, Deep Space Explorer takes advantage of a natural coordinate system. As it turns out, many of the galaxies within 150 million light-years are concentrated upon a great circle on the sky. And remarkably, there's a rich concentration of clusters of galaxies on the same great circle in a volume extending out 1.5 billion light-years. It may be a fluke, or a resonance of some undiscovered physical connection. This band of galaxies can define the equatorial plane of a supergalactic coordinate system, and the plane of your Milky Way galaxy just happens to lie nearly perpendicular to it. If you impose a set of Cartesian axes and place Earth, just for convenience, at the center, at point 0, 0, 0, you can easily and accurately navigate the realm of galactic filaments and voids, pinpointing yourself or any object in terms of supergalactic X, supergalactic Y, supergalactic Z. At your fingertips now, the position of 28,000 galaxies, their names, types, sizes and luminosities, inclinations and position angles, and their affiliations with groups, filaments, and superclusters.
Far beyond our little realm of the Earth, there's a whole other structure, a whole other entity, so much larger. And now try to expand your thinking, your ideas, to see things on this huge scale.
The Tully Collection. Don't leave your home galaxy without it.